Welcome friends to our Suraj EVSC, the YouTube channel which discuss everything about EVs and EV charging. So yesterday we had our Nexon EV connected to the AC charger for 100% charging. In this video we will discuss two terms regarding the charging. One is the battery balancing, which you all are aware of, and other is the SOC correction. So battery balancing, as you know, is a process about 90% of SOC when the battery management system, the BMS on the vehicle, balances each and every cell in the battery pack so that the cells work more efficiently and the battery gets balanced and we get proper mileage and the range from the battery pack. So this process you can see it on your mobile app. I'll show you the pic of the battery balancing, and many people think that battery balancing happens when you keep the charger connected on the vehicle after the 100% battery is charged for a long time. That is not true. Once the battery gets 100% charged, all the three LEDs on the charger get solid, and the blinking, the LED showing the charging which blinks stops and it is solid. So in this case there is no current flowing through the charger to the EV, and even on the meter you can see the output current is 0. So this is no battery balancing. And one more misconception regarding battery balancing is that people say that after you keep the charger connected to the EV for a long time, the first LED comes on and the second and third LED will not glow, and that is battery balancing. That is not true. This happens when you switch off the charger. Once the battery is fully charged, you switch off the charger, and when you switch it on again, only the first LED will come on. See, there you are. So this is not battery balancing. This is not battery balancing at all. This shows that once you switch on the charger, the proximity sensor sends the car. The charge pilot did send some signal to the battery management system, but the battery management replied back saying that the battery is full, we don't require any more current from the charger. So there is no second light and the third light blinking, which shows battery charging. So this is not battery balancing. This will happen maybe sometimes you have connected the charger to the car. The car is fully charged to 100% overnight, and maybe there's some power outage, and after some time when the power is restored, you get the first LED which is solid and the rest two LEDs are off. So this is not battery balancing. In this case, the charging gun is not locked, and you can easily remove the charging gun. There you are. If there is some sort of current flow which is happening, this gun will get locked on the car, and you will not be able to remove the gun. So as I told you, this is not battery balancing. And one more term which I was telling about regarding the battery charging is that battery SOC correction. So this happens if you have charged your something is wrong here. Let me just yes, that's it. So this happens when you have not charged your EV on AC charging for a long time, or you have charged your EV continuously over a DC fast charger and you have not charged your EV on AC charger. So whenever you connect your car on AC charger after a long time, there will be sudden jump of SOC from say from 95% to 100%. Again, I will show that phenomenon on the app Pict, which I will share you right now. So as mentioned in your manual, try and charge your Nexon EV to 100% once in 3 or 4 charging cycles, and compulsory after 3 or 4 charging cycles on a DC charger. So thanks for watching this video, and shortly we will be coming out with an anniversary video of my car, which happens to be on 6th of June. So wait for the video, and I hope you enjoy this video and more videos to come from my side. So let's drive electric. Thank you.